Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve one of the complex SQL queries. Find month with the highest sales in each year. This is basically saying we have sales data. It could be everyday data, and then we have to find out the month in which there was highest sales for each year. Say I have data for 2019, 20, 21, 22. So all this data I need to basically find out. Let's start. So first, what data do I have? So this is my sales data. So this is containing everyday, in fact, multiple rows for each and every day also. So first I need to, because I need to find months data, right? Highest sales in each year. So first I need to get the month wise data. Let's do that. So how you can do is first do trunk email. This will be my short month. For display purpose, I need this column as well. And what I'll do is sum of sales. I'll do a group by these two columns. Okay. So now I have month wise data. So let me do what by month. Look here, I have month wise data. This is for January, February, March, April sales data. Now it becomes easier for me to find out the month which had the highest sales in each year. Let's do that. To find out the, let's first find out what is the maximum value in each year. Okay. What I'll do is max sales over partition by trunk, not trunk. Let's use the short month, short month, comma, year. This is important, right? Because I want high sales in each year. So I need to do that partition. So I need to partition my this data into each year bucket, into each year partition. So within that partition, I'll find out the highest sales data. And what will be my order by clause? In this case, it would be short month only. This is short month. And this is important here. This should be unbounded preceding and unbounded following. This max sales data. See, what I have done here is I'm finding the maximum data, maximum sales data basically. Now first I'm doing a partition, right? So this is the partition. First I do the partition year wise. Okay. So 2019, 20, 21. So 12 rows, 12 rows, 12 rows, 12 rows, one partition. And then I do the order by sort month. And then I apply this rows between unbounded preceding and unbounded following. Basically, all the rows in that partition, unbounded preceding and unbounded following. Say I'm on row number 4. When say unbounded preceding, all the rows before this and all the rows after this. And after this, when I say this, within that partition. So only, so if I'm in 2019, then all rows of 2019. If I am in 2020, all rows of 2020. This is because of partition. Let's run this. I'm getting this data. Copy. Hot month, play month, sales data as well. Here we can see for 2019, February is the data. But our question is not data, but I have to find out the month, right? To find out the month, what can I do is I'll use row number, or you can use rank also. I'm using row number. We'll do the partition by. This is important, right? To partition by year wise. And now my order by would be sales data, right? I need to order by sales descending. Exactly. I'll get the highest sales within that partition. Basically, in that year, it will be given the row number as 1, and that is our maximum sales or the highest sales month, right? That is our ask. Let me convert this into a with clause. Now let's call this input data here. Rn equals to 1. Simple. Let's run this. As you can see, for every year, I'm getting different data. So in the year 2019, February 2019 was the data with the highest sales. For the 2020, February was the month. For 2021, October, and 22 is of December. So this is how you find out the. You can find out the maximum sales data as well, and you can find out the month as well. So finding out the month is basically you do the ranking. So I didn't do ranking basically. Say if I do rank here, I might get 2 rows uh, having the highest data. I just wanted to keep 1 row. That is why you can keep it rank as well. In case of duplicate, you will get 2 months. That's the only difference. This is important. Order by sales descending. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day.